Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Duolingo. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. If you find updated, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking